rewarding. It definitely has not been easy. I faced a lot of obstacles, but one of the things that has really taken me far is my mom always said, Tanisha, know whose you are and know who you are. Now, that's going to go over a lot of y'all's heads, but it took me very, very far, and just taking that message with me, knowing who I am and knowing whose I am first.
Everybody get your mobile. Roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. Girl, in so long.
The most disrespected person in America is the black woman. The most unprotected person in America is the black woman. The most neglected person in America is the black woman.
Even when I was a little girl, they'll tell you, my entire family, every pageant in Oklahoma and Texas heard me say this poem called Hey Black Child. And this is something I encourage everybody to go listen to this poem because it's extremely inspirational. And one of the lines in the poem is, hey black child, do you know who you are? Who you really are? Do you know you can be anything you want to be if you try to be what you can be?
Real one in your reflection, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these words. You gotta be nice for what to these words. I understand. You got 100 bands, you got a baby band, you got some bad friends. High school pics, you was even bad then. You might start out OnlyFans.
I've been inspired by the women in my family. My husband always says, Tanisha, you come from such a strong family of women. And it's true. Like, I want to get it not only for me, but for everybody. So they can say, Nene, you did it. Look at you. They've always pumped me up. They've always challenged me to be better. And those are the people that have helped me along the way. I definitely didn't do it by myself.
Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid, what's happening? You can f with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the source, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust.
I've always been inspired by people like Maya Angelou. One of the famous quotes that she said is, nobody but nobody can make it out here alone. And it's true, it's an African proverb. It takes a village. Just the support from my mom, the support from my husband. One of the things that I've always said is he's always been my hype man. My mom is always like, okay, Tanisha, this is your master's. I got my master's, you have to get your doctorates. And I'm telling people, like, coming January, doctorates is up next. Y'all gonna be saying Dr. Williams. I've always been inspired by people like Michelle Obama and Becoming and just the epitome of black excellence. And I want when little girls, when they see me, they say, oh my gosh, you know, if she can do it, I can do it. And if I can pass that baton and give it to the next little girl, that's what I'm gonna do.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust. Alright. Does my sassiness affect you? Why are you beset with gloom just because I walk as if I have oil wells pumping in my living room? Just like suns and like moons, with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high. Still I rise.
I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like dreams pulling up, I'm like I'm living my best life. It's my birthday.